Inspirational quotes 2022. 1. Self-control is strength. Right thought is mastery. Calmness is power. 2. The more that you read, the more things you will know. The more you learn, the more places you will go. 3. It is better to be a failure at something you love than to be a success at something you hate. 4. How wonderful it is that nobody need wait a single moment before starting to improve the world. 5. Play is our brain's favorite way of learning. 6. No kid is unsmart. Every kid's a genius at something. Our job is to find it, and then encourage it. 7. Pulling someone down will never help you reach the top. 8. All your dreams can come true if you have the courage to pursue them. 9. Always chase your dreams instead of running from your fears. 10. Play is our brain's favorite way of learning. 11. Give the world the best you have, and the best will come to you. 12. I don't love studying. I hate studying. I like learning. Learning is beautiful. 13. The difference between a successful person and others is not a lack of strength, not a lack of knowledge, but rather a lack of will. 14. Do not give up. The beginning is always the hardest. 15. If you have good thoughts, they will shine out of your face like sunbeams and you will always look lovely. 16. Those who try to do something and fail are infinitely better than those who try to do nothing and succeed. 17. Don't expect your friend to be a perfect person, but help your friend to become a perfect person. That is true friendship. 18. Never give up on what you really want to do. The person with big dreams is more powerful than one with all the facts. 19. To be yourself in a world that is constantly trying to make you something else is the greatest accomplishment. 20. Take every chance you get in life, because some things only happens once. 21. Every successful person has a painful story. Every painful story has a successful ending. 22. Everyone thinks of changing the world, but no one thinks of changing himself. 23. Everyone is trying to accomplish something big, not realizing that life is made up of little things. 24. Winning doesn't always mean being first. Winning means you're doing better than you've done before. 25. The best teachers are those who show you where to look but don't tell you what to see. 26. Stop worrying about what you have to lose and start focusing on what you have to gain. 27. You'll never be brave if you don't get hurt. You'll never learn if you don't make mistakes. You'll never be successful if you don't encounter failure. 28. Character is the real foundation of all worthwhile success. 29. You're braver than you believe, and stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. 30. Don't just read the easy stuff. You may be entertained by it, but you will never grow from it. 31. Don't be afraid to stand for what you believe in, even if that means standing alone. 32. The best revenge is massive success. 33. Forget all the reasons it won't work and believe the one reason that it will. 34. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. If you haven't found it yet, keep looking. Don't settle. 35. Life is short. Live it. Love is rare. Grab it. Anger is bad. Dump it. Fear is awful. Face it. Memories are sweet. Cherish it. 36. When you say it's hard, it actually means I'm not strong enough to fight for it. Stop saying it's hard. Think positive. 37. Life is like photography. You need the negatives to develop. 38. Don't worry about failures. Worry about the chances you miss when you don't even try. 39. The pain you feel today is the strength you feel tomorrow. For every challenge encountered, there is opportunity for growth. 40. Build your own dreams, or someone else will hire you to build theirs. 41. The soul is healed by being with children. 42. Every child is an artist. The problem is how to remain an artist once we grow up. 43. A child's life is like a piece of paper on which every person leaves a mark. 44. Accept everything about yourself. I mean everything. You are you, and that is the beginning and the end. No apologies. No regrets. 45. Education is the ability to listen to almost anything without losing your temper or your self-confidence. 46. Only surround yourself with people who will lift you higher. 47. Don't listen to anyone who tells you that you can't do this or that. That's nonsense. Make up your mind. You'll never use crutches or a stick. Then have a go at everything. Go to school. Join in all the games you can. Go anywhere you want to. But never, never let them persuade you that things are too difficult or impossible. 48. Never do a wrong thing to make a friend or to keep one. 49. If you can't say something nice, say nothing. 50. Don't be the one you see, but be the one you want to be. 51. Even if you are on the right track, you will get run over if you just sit there. 52. The key to everything is patience. You get the chicken by hatching the egg, not by smashing it. 53. Do all you can to make your dreams come true. 54. Our attitude towards others determines their attitude towards us. 55. 20 years from now you will be more disappointed by the things that you didn't do than by the ones you did do. So throw off the bowlines. Sail away from the safe harbor. Catch the trade winds in your sails. Explore, dream, discover. 56. Remember, happiness doesn't depend upon who you are or what you have, it depends solely upon what you think. 57. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. 58. You are important enough to ask, and you are blessed enough to receive back. 59. Wise people learn when they can, fools learn when they must. 60. Everything you need is already inside. Just do it. 61. Writing is good. Thinking is better. Cleverness is good. Patience is better. 62. Never fear shadows. They simply mean that there's a light somewhere nearby. 63. Whatever your hands find to do, You must do with all your heart. 64. Whether you think you can, or think you can't, you're right. 65. Health is the greatest of all possessions, a pale cobbler is better than a sick king. 66. Live in the moment and make it so beautiful that it will be worth remembering. 67. Creativity is a natural extension of our enthusiasm. 68. A positive attitude can really make dreams come true, it did for me. 69. A little consideration, a little thought for others, makes all the difference. 70. You will never do anything in this world without courage. 71. The roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet. 72. Follow your dreams, they know the way. 73. Learning never exhausts the mind. 74. Learn as much as you can while you are young, since life becomes too busy later. 75. One day you will wake up and there won't be any more time to do the things you've always wanted. Do it now. 76. You must be the change you wish to see in the world. 77. Education is a progressive discovery of our own ignorance. 78. You have to be willing to get happy about nothing. 79. Keep smiling because life is a beautiful thing, and there's so much to smile about. 80. Be silly, be honest, be kind. 81. Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. 82. It always seems impossible until it is done. 83. Kindness is a language that the deaf can hear and the blind can see. 84. Honesty is the best policy. If I lose mine honor, I lose myself. 85. Choose your friends with caution. Plan your future with purpose. And frame your life with faith. 86. Before you act, listen. Before you react, think. Before you spend, earn. Before you criticize, wait. Before you pray, forgive. Before you quit, try. 87. Life will never be the same because there had never been anyone like you ever in the world. 88. To accomplish great things, we must not only act, but also dream, not only plan, but also believe. 89. Start by doing what's necessary, then what's possible, and suddenly you are doing the impossible. 90. I can't do it, never yet accomplished anything, I will try has performed wonders. 91. Winners never quit and quitters never win. 92. Even if you are on the right track, you will get run over if you just sit there. 93. Whatever the mind of man can conceive and believe, it can achieve. 94. Remember, success is nothing but luck. Just ask any failure. 95. Make each day your masterpiece. 96. Arguing with fool. Never argue with a fool. They may pull you down and make others find no difference. Beat you with their experience. 97. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine in the end. If you don't feel fine, then it is not the end. 98. Bright days. Yesterday was a bad day. Today was moderately difficult. Tomorrow will be good and great. Always remember bright days are ahead. 99. Your life. What happens to you forms part of 10% of your life. How you react it makes 90% of your life. Good or bad, joy or sorrow, success or failure. It is how you perceive. 100. How to think. Teach your children how to think and not about what to think. 101. Make a life. We all make a living by our earnings. What we get, but we can make a life only by what we give. 102. Where you sail. If you don't know where you sail, even the wind can't help you. 103. Greatness. Don't seek greatness, seek truth. Seek love, and seek kindness. You will find all. 104. Understand everything. There is no nightmare in the life to have fear. The fear is the outcome of lack of understanding or detest. Understand everything to win the world. 105. What is love? I asked a kid, what is love? With a beautiful smile, she replied, love is when the puppy licks you. I laughed loudly, but before I asked my next question, she added, even if you leave the puppy alone for a long time, love is unconditional. Learn from kids and pets. 106. Failure and success. Failure is a temporary state, rather a first step to success. Giving up makes it a permanent state, like carvings on a stone. Don't give up. 107. Make me understand. Don't make me read. Make me understand. This is what every child needs. 108. Children are great imitators. Children are great imitators, so give them something great to imitate. 109. Worry. Can you solve a problem? Then there is no need to worry about it. Can't you solve a problem? Then there is no use of worrying about it. 110. Learn from mistakes. I have not failed. I found 10,000 ways that won't show results. Thomas Alva Edison. Every mistake has something to learn. Let us learn from our mistakes and not repeat the same. 111. Nothing is impossible. Nothing is impossible in the world. Yes, the word says I'm possible. 112. Dream. You are never given a wish without the power to make it come true. A mere dream or wish never reaps. You may have to work for it. 113. Smile. Most smiles are the outcome of another smile. Smile. The beautiful curve in the face makes you more beautiful and others happier. Smiley face. 114. Forgiveness and kindness. Forgiveness and kindness is the greatest wisdom. Learn it from your kids. 115. Your children. We worry about what a child will become tomorrow, yet we forget that he is someone today. 116. Doors. When a door closes, the other door will open. Unfortunately, most of us look at the closed door for years and fail to recognize that other door is opened. 117. Help. It is impossible to help everyone, but everyone can possibly help someone. 118. Petty issues. If you make petty issues pretty, life will not be pretty. 119. Great life. Gracefully let things go. Gratefully accept things. Life will be great. 120. Reading. You will never be able to start reading next chapter until you stop reading the previous chapters. 121. Failure. Falling is not failure, staying down is. 122. God gives food. God gives food to every bird, but not at their nests. 123. Life is a beautiful drawing. Life is a beautiful drawing comes with no eraser. Make no room for mistakes. You cannot erase it. 124. Try something new. Don't be afraid to try something new. When you are born, you are new to this world. 125. Happiness. You can light thousands of candles from a single candle, as is happiness. Share it, spread it, and it won't decrease. 126. Be what you are. Be what you are, because everybody else is taken. 127. Knowledge. Invest in your knowledge. You will be paid handsome interest. 128. Ordinary thing. Excellence is nothing but doing an ordinary thing extremely and extraordinarily well. 129. Diamond. Coal turns into a precious diamond after withstanding years of immense pressure. Every one of us holds a diamond in us. 130. Pessimist versus optimist. A pessimist finds negative aspects in every opportunity. An optimist finds opportunities in every negative aspect. 131. Attitude. There is a little difference in every people, and these little differences mark a big difference in the world. It is called attitude. 132. Inspiring others. It is very difficult to inspire others when you don't put your efforts and willingness to accomplish. 133. Questioning. The most important aspect of learning is never stop ask questioning. 134. Don't dwell on the past. Don't dwell on the past. Past is past. Nothing can change it. Future is yours. 135. No shortcuts. You will find no shortcuts to any place that really worth reaching. 136. Pig. It is physically not possible for the pigs to lift their heads and look at the sky. 137. Start. You don't always need to be great to start, but starting something itself makes you great. 138. Experts. Those who are experts were once beginners. Giving good start make you an expert. Start the day with positivity and get a boost of energy with positive and inspiring quotes. 139. Live happy. Happiness is not about being rich, rather being satisfied with what we have. Educate the children to live happy. 140. Kids learn. Kids learn by what they live, not what you teach. 141. Books. Books carry more treasure than a pot of gold coins. Read more books. 142. Success. Success is not a destination, but a lifetime journey. Continue with your efforts. 143. Positive thinking. Positive thinking provides more energy, more ideas, and more happiness. 144. Vision. The worst thing than being a blind person is having no vision with sight. 145. Wisdom. The greatest wisdom of life is kindness. It costs nothing. 146. First step. Don't afraid to take the first step, even if you don't see the entire staircase. 147. Kindness. It is impossible to fight with everyone you meet, but it will cost nothing to be kind with all. 148. Laughter. Have a daily dose of laughter. It is the good exercise for the mind. 149. Forgiveness. Forgiveness is the best shield. If you go tit for tat, everyone end up losing. 150. Questions. No question is wrong, only answers can be wrong. Don't stop questioning as it makes you develop your knowledge. 151. Your mind. Whatever you conceive and believe in your mind, you can achieve it. 152. Good thoughts. Your good thoughts will shine on your face. 153. Bad day. Some days can be really bad, but don't allow them make you get defeated. 154. Confidence in time. The greatest asset we have is confidence, and the greatest resource we have is time. 155. Your actions. Every action of you is influenced by emotional desire or fear. 156. Successful personalities. Superior and successful personalities are always marked with an attitude of positivity and optimism. 157. Negatives. Life is just like an art of traditional photography. You still need a lot of negatives to develop. 158. Challenges. Challenges make your life interesting, lifts your courage and spirit. Overcoming those challenges make your life more meaningful and joyful. 159. Planning. Spending time for planning saves 30% of your energy and time. 160. Never quit. Follow these 2 rules to succeed in your life. 1. Never quit. 2. Follow rule number 1. 161. Revenge. Take revenge on your enemies through your massive and unbeatable success. 162. Roller coaster. Life is a roller coaster with its own ups and downs. You may scream or simply enjoy the most. 163. Mistake. Committed mistake. It is a good sign of trying. Make mistakes, but never repeat it. 164. Winning. Winning is not just being first. Winning means you are doing better. 165. Failing. Failing after great attempts is a glory. 166. Forgiveness. Forgiveness is the quality of the strong people. Weaker people can never forgive. Forgiving cost you nothing. 167. Do it now. Do it right now. Sometimes, later may become never. 168. Blowing out. Blowing out others' candle doesn't make us brighter. 169. Happier person. The more you give, the more you become happier. 170. Life is beautiful. Life is a beautiful and interesting fairy tale. Make every moment cherished. 171. Dreams. We all grow greatly with our dreams. Develop and follow your dreams. 172. Mistakes. There can be only one man who never makes any mistake. He is the one who do nothing. Mistakes make you perfect and help you learn. 173. Shortcuts. There are just no shortcuts to success. Shortcuts make you fail. 174. First step. A journey to reach 10,000 miles starts just with a single step. If you don't make your first step, you can't reach the destination. 175. Forgive and forget. We need not teach kids the lessons of life. Rather, they teach the adults. 1. Forgive. 2. Forget. They forgive you even if you made them feel bad and simply forget it. The secret to happy life. 176. Great feelings. Kids never remember you for the value of precious things or any materials you provide them. But they adore you for the great feeling you made them cherish. 177. Diamonds. The expensive and precious diamonds are nothing but the mere coal that underwent immense pressure. Undergoing and experiencing all sorts of difficulties make us shine like diamonds. 178. Learning. The more and more you learn, the lot you will experience and explore, the less you will make mistakes. Learning is infinite. 179. Happiest people. Happiest people are not those who have the best. Rather, they see the best in everything. 180. Waves. It is impossible to stop the waves, but can easily learn to swim over and surf the sea. 181. Violence. Violence shelters in the house of incompetence. 182. Genius. Millions of geniuses die without discovering their talents. Don't join the millions. Be unique and discover your hidden talent. 183. Faith. Have faith in everything. It makes all things possible. 184. The cage. The safest place for birds is its cage. But staying all the time in the cage won't let it grow. 185. Wing. Don't try to walk when you got wings to fly. 186. Harsh words. A torn piece of cloth can be stitched, but you cannot mend a wounded heart with harsh words.